In this tutorial, I will show you how to change and update page numbers automatically in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, open an existing project or click Create a Design and choose Presentation. After the presentation opens, make sure your project has multiple pages. Next, go to the left side menu and click Text. Scroll through the text options and find the feature called Page Numbers. Click Page Numbers and Canva will show several styles and positions for your page numbers. Choose the style you prefer, such as numbers in the bottom right corner or centered at the bottom. After selecting the style, click Apply to all pages. Canva will automatically insert page numbers across every page in your project. If you add or delete pages later, Canva will update the numbering automatically. You can also click on the page number text to change the font, color, size, or position to match your design. Finally, review your presentation to make sure the page numbers appear correctly. When everything looks good, click Share and then download to save your project.